Alright, so what I'm going to show you here is how you can make a collection and then make it chattable from another website. So here's the collection, and basically it gathers news every day. So I added a source. I could just be uploading documents, but I added a source, and the source will search the news. Now this particular title is wrong because it's been LaraLamma mostly, not Laravel. So, and then it just searches for this using just a search engine like Brave, and it runs daily. And at this point, you know, it's found a few articles. I can look at them and search them in the UI here. But then I added an output, and that particular output says, okay, I want to make an API for this. So I chose API, and I just made the output. Pretty simple. Now in this process, I make a token, I make it active, and I get this card here that shows me I have an API. I also have a daily email summary. I have a public web page that this generates, but I don't, you know, that's nothing right now because I want to show you this other thing. So now I can say, okay, here's my token, here's the URL I have to hit. Now I'm going to go plug that into this widget. So we've all seen these type of widgets. They're very common standalone JavaScript widgets. So this is a whole other URL, as you can see, unrelated. It's a static website, so there's no back end. And I just plug in this JavaScript widget. I forget the name of the support company that does it, but there's a lot of them that have these widgets. And so when you put this widget in and put in this token, now remember this token is in the JavaScript widget. People can use it, but who cares in this sense, because we've already made it clear this is public data. Where they can read it, they can ask questions, and they're going to be limited to that collection. So if you had websites that were internal to your VPNs and stuff, it would still be usable. And then if you have public data that you're okay with and you're connecting to different sites, it still should work fine, you know, because it has the token. So now that's it. It's that easy. So now when you ask it a question, it's going to go to the API and then go make a chat interaction. So now I'm going to ask it about, you know, this, because I really don't know. Okay, what is new in LaraLamma? Now, this prompt is interesting because I don't know if I'm really telling the LLM to think about dates, and I'm not putting dates into the content. It's something I should do now that I think about it. But it's going to go back to the API, go back to our LaraLamma server, go ask the question. You can actually see it here. I'll make another request in a moment. Let's do another one. So see how it makes the request. It's going to LaraChain, that other domain, and it's getting a response. Man, they don't give you much room here. And that's it. It's basic API stuff at this point. It doesn't stream. Sometime I might do that. Just the goal here is not speed. We want accuracy, so we're really getting the right documents. We're doing some things to embed the data and then find the correct documents and then make a summary from that. And there's actually a verification agent too that will verify the results really line up. The response of the initial LM really lines up with the context we gave it, just to double check.